In this video, we're going to walk through the best practices for using Surfboard, and this is going to cover lighting, just lighting. So go ahead and launch Surfboard. We're going to link host to a linked model. We're going to choose our link. So we've got a steel model linked in here and an architectural model. Want to link to the architectural model. This will pull up all of our room names and that kind of good stuff. And for this, for simplicity, we're just going to do all the unique room names. So with the unique room names selection, basically any individual room that has a unique room name, right? We have cafeteria versus cafeteria. So this will be on a unique line item. And then for all the rest of the rooms in this project. Then we'll go to our default menu so that we load a default fixture. And I'm just going to pull in a troffer here. We'll have 4,000 lumens. You might adjust this to whatever yours are. So say it's 4,300 lumens for the default fixture you want to use. 40 foot candles with a work plane height of 2.5 feet. So go ahead and hit OK. And then that'll load that basically default fixture here for each and every room. We're going to put them everywhere. And then just to show you that we could basically choose different ones, I'm going to choose what is an emergency fixture here, but we'll just place that all through the corridor. Even though that's not how we're going to ultimately design it, it'll give you an idea of, how these fixtures get placed and kind of go from there, in that you're able to choose different types for different rooms. And here we'll just do another fixture type here, LL24, and we'll go ahead and run lighting. So this will go through the model and place those elements into each and every room, performing calculations for each and every room. And this is in real time. We did not pause this video to let it run. So once this is complete, you'll see how the fixtures get placed. So we put 570 fixtures in here, and let's go take a look. So here's our LL24 fixture. Again, all the sizes and symbols would be your own. Here's that emergency fixture, right, through all the corridors. And here we go throughout. So with this, a few things that you can notice is here we're not, looking at the ceilings or any rotation for it. We're just placing the fixtures basically centered within the rooms that we're going after. So everything's pretty much centered within the project or within the room space. So we go here, see that this is, given the proper spacing for them and really just centered here within the room space. So that's really what we're going after for this. And there you have it. If we look at these 2x4s, right, we're centered left to right, 310, 310. If we edit our witness lines out here. So pretty much centered within the room spaces. So again, from here, you would end up, let's not select the underlays. So with this, right, if you wanted to put these into the grid, right, since you'd have a choice, you go left or right, all the rest of the spacing is there. So there you have it. Edit these slightly, and that's how we get the rest of the fixtures to line out, is making those choices as to which direction you want to go within the room space, right? If we wanted left or right, because here we have 2 grid tiles on this side versus 1 on that side, or vice versa. Again, all those choices are yours to make as the engineer record, designer record for the project, right? So left or right, all those choices are yours. So that's lighting in a nutshell. Basically, all you're going to do is choose the rooms you want to do. And let's say that here, let's look at instruction 106. So we'll go back, host to a linked model, host to our sample project by level. And then all the level names are the matching exactly to the architectural model. So to the model that we're choosing to link to. So O1 entry level, boom. And then let's say instruction 106. So here's the room we want to place into. And then let's just say that we want a regular 2x4 troffer in this room, 4,000 lumens. Let's just say 43, 40-foot candles. Go ahead and run lighting. So there's our 6 fixtures placed in this room. And again, we slightly move these over and they sit right back into the grid. And then same with like vestibule here. So we had 40-foot candles initially. So we can delete this out. Come back through, host to link model, sample project, unique room names, vestibule, right? Let's say that we still want troffers in there. Put those there. We'll accept changes, but instead of 40-foot candles, let's just do 20. We'll run lighting, right? So we have 6 fixtures in here now versus the, what do we have here before? 6, and then before we had 8. So, right, reduced it down. For the foot candles we want in here. So simple enough. And running through it. And then this is again for all levels in the project. First, second, third floor. And then if we go ahead and look at a section, all these are hosted to the ceiling. So again, you can add, change, move, right? Like we've moved all these around, rotate, right? Simple space bar command to rotate anything, or pick, move, drag, fixtures, to align to the grid and any coordination items that you would have. So that's how to use Surfboard for lighting. Thanks for watching.